I want you to take a moment to just look around this arena. This space was designed with a very specific intention to break down the traditional walls of education and build something that mirrors the modern, interdisciplinary world our young people are stepping into. Today, we are here to celebrate the ultimate realization of that vision, the grand opening of the Haas Manufacturing Futures Lab.
We're an economic development engine. The young people that walk out of our building are ready to go to work.
Basically, everything that you see around you has been created by young professionals. The way in which young professionals have shown up to try to make this happen is really spectacular and amazing.
When I came to Ulster BOCES and enjoyed the Robotics and Advanced Manufacturing program, I was able to create things, put my ideas into practice, and then see the solidified results. All the while learning fundamental values and concepts to a trade that can boost me into the workforce, as well as ensure a successful future for myself.
If you asked me at the beginning of the year what I wanted to do, I'd probably tell you I had no clue. I started to work more and more in our Haas Manufacturing Futures Lab. This fall, I will be a freshman at Drexel University in Philadelphia as a biomedical engineer.
They have fundamentally changed the landscape of technical education in our region. The Foundation's philosophy is simple. Give a student the right tools, you give them a career for life. Across the Hudson Valley, you can find workers whose journeys started because of a Haas scholarship or a program supported by their grants.
Thank you very much to the entire Haas Foundation for your unwavering belief in our young people.